Guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out for a few. Definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button if this is your first time here. Now today what we're going to do is head out, meet up with a couple of people. I know there's a Dodge Magnum SRT that's going to be hanging out, and a few Scatpacks, some nice builds. So what we're going to do is probably meet up, BS for a little while, and then go for a little bit of a cruise. And hopefully, you know, we have a little bit of fun. So, all right, guys, let's get into it. Yeah, buddy!
He's got somebody, you know.
You don't really see too many people putting the cubic inch on these 6.1s, but
so he did exhaust. I redid the cold air. I redid the tuning.
Okay.
Got a Diablo Trinity 2.
So the 6.1 has an air intake, full exhaust, a tune. How's it going? Good. Did you guys race, or?
She does.
Little friendly competition between the two of you guys?
Yeah, she's been down the track.
All right. Yeah, this looks clean.
Just did the painting. Still got to do more stuff. But
it's in great shape. So how many?
200,000 miles.
200,000? Woo! It's holding together pretty nice.
He did. He maintained it very well.
Okay.
Mechanically.
Uh-huh.
He did, you know, suspension work. It's got tiny 2-inch drop in the front. The stock Nevermax is in the rear. Yeah, I had to redo some of the stuff. He did a lot. He was more concentrated on stereo stuff. And,
okay. A little more cosmetic stuff.
Yeah, the first build was like that, but you know, there's not too much you could do to the 2.7.
These Magnums are so cool because of how rare they are. You know, you don't see them around. It looks a little bit larger than a standard SRT badging.
Okay. It is. I have a friend of mine who's got a SRT Jeep, and his badge is almost half the size.
Yeah.
You know Brian Trezor with the 300?
Yep.
His badge is the same thing, it's a little bit smaller. And
gotcha.
It's factory on his.
Yeah, if I had an SRT, I'd probably do the same thing. Let everybody know, you know? So what year is this?
It's 06.
06?
Yep.
And are you going to get into the performance?
Yeah, so, you know, I tell everybody, you know, I waited so long to get a Hemi that I'm not even used to it, you know, I mean.
Because these 6.1s, they take well to modifications, you know? It
takes off, I mean.
I'm sure. Do you mind if I look inside?
No, go right ahead. Might be a little bit of a mess, but.
No, this is in good shape.
Yeah, everything he did was, you know, he had kids, so, you know, when I got the car, I had to literally, like, de-kit it.
So, this is a quick car. You're enjoying it.
Yeah, the Cummins was quick, but this is quicker.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You roasting these tires every. Yeah. I still can't believe they put 245s on a 392. It's just.
I'm gonna put 275 when I'm done.
It'll go right onto the rim, no problem.
Yeah, it's an option.
Get yourself 275s, really nice tire compound. You'll have this thing ripping soon. You know what? I bet you every acceleration though, you can't even help but light up those tires, right? Bye.